How to activate Walmart gift card. Let's get started. First, launch your Walmart account. You can use the web version or also you can launch the app. Once logged in, you'll land to the home page. Now click on three bars given at the top right corner. Navigate to the option Account. Now head over to the settings icon. Once you are in account settings page, you'll find different option over here. Click on the option Add a payment method. Now from this list, find the option Gift Card and click on it. Now here you will need to provide your gift card details to activate it. First up, type in your card number, PIN, gift card nickname, then click on Save Card. With that, the gift card will be added as a payment method in your Walmart account. And then it can be used for checkout purpose. So this way you can easily activate Walmart gift card. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.